What's going on, everybody? Today we're gonna be putting 4 turbos on a car. So here we have 4 KO3 turbochargers. These are the stock turbochargers on 1.8Ts. As you can see here, we have a 4-cylinder engine, meaning each cylinder is going to be responsible for spooling its own turbo. So to make this happen, we're gonna be using the base of the stock manifold. As you could tell, we already cut it.
My wife's friend at work, she's an Indian girl, and she was like, "Ooh, who's Jesse on the YouTube?" And we're trying to set him up with her, dude. We might have a marriage here. Really?
Get the MIG on that. Get the MIG on that. Get the MIG on that. Very simple.
Oh, so each cylinder is running one turbo?
Correct.
Okay. So they're not like...
No, they're not feeding each other. It's not a sequential system.
We need a sequential. Well then, dude, get it.
Fix it up, dude. I don't know what's the setup you need.
Dude, Chow. The OG getting it, dude. Ooh! Did I tell you when I was at the zoo, like I got attacked by fucking birds? Like literally attacked me in my head.
We're starting to construct the finely crafted custom manifold line.
Is it clocked up or down?
No, we're clocking it up, dude. We're going out the hood. Look at that. Look at that. This is history in the making, everybody. Quad turbo.
Yeah, this manifold would be like at least 3,500.
This metal at Everett Steel.
$100.
No, it was like 30 bucks. I got that out of the scrap bin.
Who the f is Osbo?
We're Frederick Osbo.
Yes.
Except we have 3 more turbos than Frederick Osbo.
So we had bigger balls than him.
Way bigger turbos.
People have no
balls are big.
Let's test this out here. See what's going on. This one will go here.
Touching?
Yeah, they touch. I'm gonna have to cut. I need to cut this off here. They fit better. I think I might just send them like that, dude. We have 3 of the 4 cylinders here, and before we weld these in place, we're gonna go to everyone's favorite section at Lowe's, the toilet bowl section.
Yeah, dude. I'm flipping my flip-flop, dude.
Showing off the Gucci flip-flops.
Who knew you can build a car at the Home Depot, dude?
So, as you can see, there's that.
This is the race car coupling and adapters.
You ever notice how he waddles?
So that will run off of that into each other, off of all of them, and then they'll connect into the intake.
The main one.
Let's get 2 of those. All I'm saying is we have 3 of 4 now, and it's looking real nice.
It's gonna make hella boost, dude. All these things is feeding it.
I guarantee you this blows up.
Oh, it's gonna be hella close.
So that'll go.
That'll be good.
No, that's like almost perfect.
Yeah.
And we'll put pipes.
Look at this intake.
This is like a civic intake.
We're super good, dude. We know what we're doing here.
Dude, Chow, your new car is sick.
Thank you. First of all, my name is DK.
It does look really light though. Look pretty
Does
cool.
it look like reality lights?
How'd you look like professional welder, dude?
We're gonna plumb the intake now. So, Chow got me something for my birthday, which is conveniently the day after Christmas. So it was a little bit late, but it's here now. I don't know what it is. I remember I got him tail lights for his birthday for his S14. All right.
You want to see headlights?
Oh shit. What is this? Uh-oh.
Did someone ball out?
Did someone ball out? What are these?
Or did he put something else in the box?
Oh my. Wow, Chow, thank you. He knows me too well. I think I'm gonna play on the simulator all night with these. Break them in, yeah. All right, so Brandon's gonna fill in some of our exhaust leak on the bottom side of the header. Then we're gonna plumb the intake. Then it should be good to go.
We're gonna check for some exhaust leaks, see if we're, she'll throw down the power here in a minute. All right.
What? What?
Yeah, like buttons, like buttons,
Like button,
buttons.
click it, like
Dude.
button. I for sure heard more spooling than before.
Was there?
Oh yeah.
Dude, there was a lot of turbo sound though.
Well, this is the DIY coupler kit. Hold on, you might be thinking, what the F are you doing? But just give me a second and just hear me out.
No blow by on this one.
No, hear me out. Look, DIY coupler kit, dude.
Dude, I don't even think you need that, bro.
This is gonna go like that and literally pinch the tape down like a coupler. Look at that. This is better than an actual coupler. We're onto something. This is for everyone out there who's trying to do budget turbo setups. That's better than an eBay coupler.
We're holding more than boosting, bro.
This is the cheapest way to get couplers.
We're gonna find out how good Gorilla Tape holds, because this thing's making like 30 pounds of boost, which we expect it to. The world ready for this?
I don't think the world's ready for this. I'm telling you, we're onto something here with this.
Yeah, we're gonna start making our own.
How many times have you been doing an eBay turbo kit in your driveway and you don't have the coupler? You don't need the coupler. Take notes, everybody.
You literally.
I put money on the fact that none of these blow out.
It's probably gonna make 40 PSI.
You think so?
It's
Well,
gonna
I mean,
make-
if each one makes 10 pounds, we have 40 pounds. I'm just kidding. That's not how that works.
What's
Austin mix, dude.
Shout out Austin Meeks for having a bunch of cool exotic animals. All right, last one.
Yeah, are we good?
Hell yeah.
We lit, fam?
And then we can feel how much boost comes out of there. Oh, come take a look. Come take a look.
Come look. You see this?
We're gonna start it and see how much boost we can feel come out of it.
Good 45 pounds at least.
Somewhere in the 40s.
Dude, you guys did it.
There's so much air. Oh my god! Dude, when the turbos spin up, there's so much air. There's a lot of boost.
That's a lot of boost.
Coupler test, check.
Here's the solution to my intake adapter. So we have the MAF here, a quarter of the factory airbox still on, and then the correct size piping out. That's literally not popping off.
No.
You just have to call it the collector. There it is. Look at that, dude. We did it.
That's Gorilla Tape.
I wonder how many people now we're gonna be seeing do this to their actual dailies. This is literally all from the Lowe's toilet aisle. Every last bit.
I mean, I'm tired of paying thousands of dollars for those intake manifolds. Is that autometer? It's autometer. Is that carbon fiber autometer? That's 5 pounds, dude. You're purple. Dude can blow 5 pounds of boost.
How many boosts does it make?
The gauge
Oh
was...
yeah, it's the gauge is pegged. Do you hear those turbos?
Yeah, dude, you heard the spooling though this time.
Oh yeah. He's like, do you hear the spool? Yeah, the whole world can hear the spool. Oh yeah. Do you hear those turbos? Yeah, go.
I hate to interrupt you there, but I'm doing another free giveaway. I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted me to run the same prizes again, and most of you said yes. So shout out to the winners of the last free giveaway. Same deal goes for this one. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, comment #TeamOD on my most recent post, and the first prize winner of this giveaway will get to pick between a Nintendo Switch, a PlayStation 4, and an Xbox One. Also, second prize gets a $50 Amazon gift card. So once again, this giveaway is 100% free. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram and comment #TeamOD on my most recent post.
banding took off.
It really did. I felt VTEC kick in. Like that was all lag in the beginning, and then it just woke up.
Yeah. Dude,
Right, nobody looked at the boost gain. Oh, we don't know.
We literally
dude.
don't know
What if we were spooling it?
What if it was making 20 psi?
Yeah, we don't know.
For another.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Oh my jeez.
Thinking we got a nice front left wheel peel.
Is that all it was?
Yeah,
You're right.
If it was clutch, it would be coming out of right here in the middle. That was 3 pounds of boost. But hey, our couplers are still holding.
Still holding.
We were making positive pressure.
Boost.
Yes, we were.
I didn't think that we were going to get any pressure because we're trying to make a 4-cylinder spool 4 separate turbos. You know what I mean?
So we've already gone up and above what you already thought.
This is performance now.
Yeah.
This will make more wheel horsepower on the dyno than a stock one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, technically.
Technically.
Come on, can you see me?
We are going to take this.
Go ahead. Here we
It
go.
can't touch the bottom.
Yeah, do you know where
it's not
it is?
touching the bottom. It's
like
barely
it's
in
like
there.
yeah,
It's
it's
like
literally
just barely
like a half an inch in there.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Stop, 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 stop. It works, it works, it works.
Making way better power.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
A straight open can of
anybody see
nitrous.
how-
I thought the turbos were gonna spit fins through the glass in my face.
Is the Mustang destructible? Like, you can't beat it.
I think that's a victory.
I already told Chad, dude, the Bugatti Veyron didn't on this.
There you guys have it. Quad turbo, huge success. Smash that like button. Click subscribe with notifications on, and stay tuned. We might take this down the drag strip. Still sounds kind of healthy.
Sounds healthy.
I would just like to point out the fact that we have no jet on this. This is straight nitrous from a bottle, and it's still decently healthy.
They spooled for 30 seconds after you shut this off.
This was a legitimate win in my book.
I'm impressed by the Mazda engine.
Yeah, me too.
This was a legitimate win.